Hello wonderful people, and welcome to day 6 of this 21 days challenge for abundance from Deepak Chopra. If you don't know who he is, please go check it out, do some research because he's an amazing inspiration. I really admire this person. I am curious to see where these 21 days are gonna take me because already we're only at day 6, but he gave amazing tools on how to deepen our awareness. So please check it out, check who he is. If you haven't seen the first 5 videos, please go ahead and do so as well so that you know what we are talking about here. And I'm excited to get it started. I don't know what to expect from the exercise today, but I hope it will be better than the previous 3 because I really enjoyed the first and the second day, but not the third, fourth and fifth. Great, so today we have to write on a piece of paper for 10 times this long line. It says, today I start a new relationship with money. Money is good, clean and useful for my growth, happiness and well-being. Money brings positive things in my life. The success I have brings money and wealth to me and to the people around me. I deserve to thrive and to have money. Money is my friend, and the value of things I invest on increases each day more. Success and wealth are with me now. I ask my ancestors to bless me and give me permission to live in a different way, and I ask them to inspire me. Well, I don't know how I feel about this either. I need to write this long line for 10 times, and I am not 100% sure about this exercise because I understand some people have troubles with money and some people have a very unhealthy relationship with it, but I believe the way I was raised, or anyways the way I was taught, was a pretty healthy and good relationship with money. So I don't see this exercise changing much for me because I see money as a tool and I don't let it control me or change my life in any way. I know that if I want something, I need to work hard for it, and there's many different ways to achieve this. So I don't know, but let's do it. So I'm gonna write it as usual on my notebook where I'm keeping track of this 21 days challenge. Let's start from the very beginning. I'll write it once and then I'll keep going. It's way longer than I thought. Okay, the first one is done. Pretty long. It's a pretty long one. So I have 9 more to go. I'm going to speed this up and I'll see you at the end. In the meantime, my camera died. Done! So I want to show you that I didn't cheat. So it's page number 1, and then the other 2 pages, and then the other 2 pages. So this is the very last one that I wrote. It did take quite a long time, and I can't believe I actually memorized it. Little by little I started understanding a bit more the meaning of this exercise. Probably it's really designed to it's designed for everyone, but especially I believe for people who have a bad relationship with money or see money as an evil thing or as a dirty thing. I always saw money just as a tool, as an opportunity to achieve what I wanted, but not the only and the only necessary thing, obviously. So I get the point of the exercise. I don't believe this was necessarily the perfect exercise for me. I wish it was a little bit more of an internal exercise. Instead of talking about money, we could have talked about being rich in emotions and being rich in tools and experiences. So that's another way of seeing abundance, obviously. But I understand the point. Money is important in today's society and it's part of our everyday life, and we should just accept it the way it is. Again, I don't think this exercise was the best for me, but definitely it was a bit better than the previous 3 exercises. Right now, I don't have time for meditation, so I'm going to come back tonight for the meditation session, and I'm gonna review that for you guys and tell you how I feel. I have a long day ahead. I'm sorry this video, my camera died and now I have to come back in a few hours, but it is what it is. You guys will understand, I'm sure. So I'll see you tonight. Bye. And here we are a few hours later, but I cannot finish this day without the meditation. So we're gonna jump right into it. Okay, this meditation was very nice. So the centering thought of the day was everything I desire is within me, and I think it's something that connects and relate to the previous meditations that we've been doing in the past 5 days. And it's a beautiful thought, the idea of being whole and already having everything we really need and all the tools to achieve whatever we want to achieve in life. The mantra of today was Ram, which I remember doing during our yoga teacher training back in Toronto, and if I'm not mistaken it corresponds to the second chakra, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna go research that a little bit more and let you guys know maybe tomorrow. The meditation was good. I think my mind was a bit today I wasn't as focused as I was yesterday, maybe because I had a very long and pretty tough day, so it was a bit harder to keep a still mind. Maybe I should have practiced a little bit of asanas first, but past is past. So meditation is done and I enjoyed it. I am curious to see what tomorrow is gonna bring. So I will see you all tomorrow. Stay tuned. Bye.